What it is there, guys? How you doing today? This is your boy Beast Popeye. We're almost out of battery. Today's December 3rd. This is gonna be the weirdest video if you have seen by the title. Basically what we're doing, if you have seen the title, if you haven't, then I'm gonna tell you right now. Basically what we're gonna do today is bringing new games in, probably bringing in some private servers or anything like that to the channel, and I had to make another channel. I had to make another video talking about news for the channel that's gonna be good for it, and straight up what we're gonna do. So you have seen that haven't been posting that many videos, and I'm sorry about that. I'm basically gonna tell you that in another video. Probably gonna put that video on the tomorrow, December 4th, probably. Or probably this one's going to be uploaded December 4th, and then the other one's going to be uploaded in December 4th as well. So double upload. And basically what I want to do is bring new games to the channel. And I hope you guys, if you guys see this video, please tell anybody else to subscribe to my channel. If they want to see games that they play, and they want to see how I play, or what you guys like to play and want to see me play it, just leave it in the comment section down below. I always read the comments, and if I want to, I reply, but if I don't want to, then, but it's just in case what question you guys ask me, I do reply. But I just want my channel to grow, and that's all I want. I'm in the other video, sorry if I'm not talking correctly, it's just because I didn't write the ideas real well. But what basically I'm gonna do is, in my other channel, in my video, what I'm gonna do is, what am I gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna make like this list, and you guys can like tell me if this is good, tell me if this is bad. And I'll be right back in a moment, just to play some quick games of Flappy Bird. Be right back. Welcome back. I basically just want to go do something real quick, so let's play some quick games. I was watching this video on YouTube where everybody range quit at Flappy Bird, but I'd probably range quit more on not Clash of Clans. Clash of Clans is easy, but on Clash Royale, I probably range quit more because there's sometimes these glitches that people do just to win some trophies, but I just don't understand why. Flappy Bird is easy. Okay. If you heard that, that was my mom. I'm sorry about that. So yeah. This game's pretty easy. I don't know why people range. It's just a game. But in Clash, it's different. Once you lose those trophies, you really get pissed. But at this game, all you have to do is concentrate, calm down, beat the game, and let's move on to another game. And I'll be right back. And the next game is gonna be on right now. So I haven't brought this game back since a long time. I haven't played. It's Pewdiepie, Super Stimulator. I don't know if most of you guys still play, but I know some of you that still play. This game is pretty fun. I just haven't played for a while because not enough time. If I had enough time, then yeah, I would, but I haven't been playing. I stopped for a while. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. Now I'll tell you why on the tomorrow video. because, or probably today video. I don't know when you guys are gonna watch it, but yeah, if you guys are watching it today on December 3rd, then that means I uploaded it today. But if you see it tomorrow, then that means I upload it tomorrow with another video coming in. For me, it didn't take that much time. I just had to edit a little bit, and that's pretty much it. By the way, I have some other news. Should I tell you tomorrow? Yeah, I'm gonna tell you tomorrow on the other video, or probably today, and you get the idea, because it involves taking a picture of something, and I have to find out on other screen recorders, that way I can use it for my videos. And that pretty much will be it. Yeah, pretty much will be it. And let's keep playing. Just to do for fun right now. I'm gonna get another one of these. Put it right there. Let's play some poker. Tip and tricks, you can move the screen. If you guys didn't know that yet. But basically, I think everybody has known that, yeah. Wow, I missed. Okay, let's go to another game. I'll meet you guys there. So, we're in Clash now. I know I didn't play that much of Pewdiepie, but I might play. I don't know when I'm gonna make more, but if I do, you guys better hit that bell icon, and you guys will know when. So today there was the blind duck challenge. Oh, by the way, I hit a new highest trophies. That's what's up. And the deck that's bringing me that far is this deck, pretty much. So yeah, let me open the features. Open this chest. Okay, I'm gonna do the blind deck challenge, but then when I put the schedule out, I'm gonna make this basically another one, but I'm not gonna battle offline. I'm gonna battle all the time on live, like, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna spend 5 gems to enter. Right now I'm at 0. By the end of this, probably want to hit 2 or 3. I'm gonna probably do 3. So let's do this. I got to 10 basically, but it was alright. So yeah. What did I get? A golem with a princess and a range? Okay. I'm used to these kind of things because I think it's because oh my god. I think it's because I have basically always have switched decks, and it's normal with me to switch decks, so yeah. Oh wow, well played. Okay. What the freak? A golem and oh my god. I can't believe this. I can't believe this is actually a deck. Ice Golem, Giant Golem. Come on. Clash, don't do this to me. Let's distract that witch. Yes, it worked. Okay, that worked. That was good. Shoot it, shoot it. Nice, nice. Shoot the bomber while you're at it. God damn it, boy. I hate when this happens. So I don't know what to do here. Basically. Let's drop the golem, I guess. Because it's almost double elixir time. And I don't have nothing except for spells and another tank. Oh my god, this is the worst. This is the worst. Wow. This is the worst. This is the worst. Wow. This is not fair. I have nothing. I have nothing. Wow. So I guess I have to lose one on life. I guess. I guess I'm losing this battle. I guess I'm not winning, right? Alright. Let's put that down. God damn it. This guy's deck is high. What the freak, bro? Flash, please don't do this to me. Wow, I didn't even mean to drop that there. It just automatically dropped it. This is worse. How am I still alive? Rapid fire, rapid fire. Shit, I got one of you. Don't you dare hit mine. Well, I guess I lost this one. But how is this even fair, to be honest? But this deck cost like 4 something. But he even did damage to his towers. That's not fair. The only air troop that I had was the princess. Literally, the princess. Come on. Worst air troop in my whole entire universe. Okay, let's do this. Which one's this one gonna be? Oh my god. It's a witch and a wizard. Oh my god, I have nothing. Literally, nothing. Okay, now I have something. That's what's up. We even have arrows in this thing. And a lumberjack? I didn't even notice that. What kind of person needs... freaking... Okay. I got this. There we go. I was about to do that, but I'm like, nah. I'd rather save it up for his team. Even if he... I hope he has a team. Nope, don't you dare. Dang it, that hammer. You ruined it. God damn it. But how do you miss a minion? How do you miss a minion? Literally. How? Please explode on the tower. Thank God. No, a lot of damage, but still, thank God. So this guy has a lumberjack, a prince, musket, gobs, yeah, and a boulder. Oh my god. Okay, so I still have my kill card, the Inferno Dragon, lumberjack. So I'm pretty. Oh my god, no, I'm not safe. I'm not safe. Just saying that I'm not safe. He has too many good cards. That's why. Come on, we need Harry Potter down here. Come on. Harry Potter, save the day! God damn it, Harry Potter. This is gonna be my... Oh my fucking gosh, bro. I hate these kind of decks, bro. I don't know why. How am I losing? I have Inferno Dragon. Yeah, that's why I'm losing. Inferno Dragon needs a buff. He's weak. Oh my goodness, I hate this fool. I'm seeing what he's trying to do. Okay. Give me this plus this. Some of those arrows coming in. What in the world is happening? How is he putting so much cards down? I don't understand this game no more. Literally, how is he... I guess they died. Again. How in the flipping world is this even possible? I can't do nothing, basically. Oh my fucking word, bro. How does it keep... Dude, Clash just hates me, to be honest. When I was not on the fucking YouTube thing, they literally gave me the best cards in the world. But right now, they're just giving me boo-boo. Look, I'm 0. Come on. This is my last chance. Bro, if I get this last loss, I swear that I'm just gonna quit. So, oh my flipping world, bro. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me right now. Is this for reals? Is this literally for reals? You gotta be flipping kidding me right now. What in the world? Dude, I'm gonna lose this one too. I had to waste so much elixir just to freaking take the... My witch didn't even hit the tower over there. What the hell? I don't get this, bro. I just hate it when it does this to me. Wow. And he has... What? A giant expo. What is this? This is madness. Wow, I knew this was gonna happen. I just saw it coming. I just saw it coming. Literally, I just saw that coming. That cousin's a slack. Good job, Hog. Ooh, that kills it. I'm good. Nothing shoots air right here. Oh, and he has a Hog. What the hell? At least we have some good defense. There goes the range. There we go. Let's go for the other tower. He would do that. Let me go. God damn it. This is what I like to do when I victor the fucking thing. So that's it for today. I'm sorry that I had to do this, but tomorrow I will do another video. Like you can see right now, they gave me the bad decks in the whole entire world. So I ain't fair. I'm pretty sure my clanmate got the same deck and he lost too, and he's higher than me. You guys want to see? He is right here. Wait, no, it's not him. He's different. That's a lot of visual. Though I think he's higher than me. Pretty sure he is higher than me. Where the hell is he at? He's supposed to be higher than me. Oh, he's right here. See? Yeah. Well, that's it for this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please leave a like. And I've seen a lot of likes, and that means that you guys like this video. So that means I'm going to keep making them happen for this channel. So see you guys next time. And bye. Remember, stay beastie, guys.